children, today we will be studying in maths linear equation. In the last class I told you a few rules related with the linear equations, and you can see the back videos and you can see the rules, and I gave you one example also to solve a linear equation. So this is what I gave you in the last term. Today I'll give you more examples related to the linear equations. Okay, so now suppose there are two equations. First is 6 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 7, and second equation is 3 upon x plus 9 upon y is equal to 9. Suppose we have to solve these two linear equations. So you see one 1 by x here, 1 by y here, here also 1 by x and here 1 by y. So what you will do? You will assume. What you will assume? You will assume that you will first write putting 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So you will assume 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v, and then you will put these values in the two equation. Why do you do this? You do this to simplify the equation because it's so difficult. Why? It looks difficult for you because it's in the fraction form. So now we have assumed this, that 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So now putting 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v, the given equations become so what will they become now? 6 by x. So you can see here 6 by x is 6 into 1 upon x. 6 by x is 6 into 1 upon x. So 1 by x is u. So it becomes 6u, isn't it? So plus 3. Now 1 by y is equal to v. So 3 by y is 3 into 1 by y. So 1 by y is becoming v. So it becomes 3v. Okay. 6u plus 3v is equal to 7. Similarly, here 3 by x, so it becomes 3u because 1 by x is equal to u. Plus 9, 1 by y is equal to v is equal to, it is 11. Okay. Now these equations now become simplified. As you had done in the last turn, it becomes in that form only. Okay. So now you have to solve these two equations. How you will solve? I told you there is one method. You simply make equal the constant part of the two equations of any one variable. There is two variable u and v. You make equal any variable. Suppose I make equal u. So here it is 3, here it is 6. How can you equalize these? Simply multiplying the number. Suppose this is 6, so multiplying the equation, this equation with 3 and this by 6 means we have to interchange. So what you do? You multiply this equation by 3, and this by 6. So now after multiplying, what you get? 3 6 are 18. U plus 3 3 are 9v is equal to 3 7 are 21. Complete equation. You have to multiply the complete equation. Now 6 3 are 18u plus 6 9 are 54v is equal to 11 6 are 66. Now you have to subtract it. Now when you subtract, the sign changes. It is plus, it become minus, it is plus, it become minus, it is plus, it become minus. So 18u minus 18u, this will cancel. So 9v minus 54. So this is plus, this is minus. So what you do? You will subtract the big number with this. Now you have to subtract the smaller number with the big number. So 54 minus 9. You solve it. 54 minus 9. So 14 minus 9 you get 5. And here it comes 4. 45. So minus sign will come here because the minus number is big. So minus 45v is equal to minus, because the minus term is bigger. So minus 66 plus 21. So you have to subtract 21 from 66. So 6 minus 1, 5, and 6 minus 2, it comes 4. So 45. So minus minus will cancel, 45 will cancel, v is equal to 1. You get v is equal to 1 and u is equal to, now you have to solve for u. In any equation you can put the value of v and you can take out the value of u. So 6u, 6 into u plus 3v, v is equal to 1 is equal to 7. This was your equation. Now 6 into u, it is 6u plus 3 is equal to 7. So 6u is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. Now u is equal to, 6 will come below, 4 upon 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3 are 2 by 3. So u is equal to 2 by 3. You get u is equal to 2 by 3. Now what you do, you can calculate the value of x and y. So 1 upon x is equal to u. So 1 by x is equal to u. What is the value of u? 2 by 3. Now you can solve it, cross multiply it. So x into 2 is 2x is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. You get one solution. And when 1 by y is equal to v. So 1 upon y is equal to v. What you have got the value of v? 1. So cross multiplying it, 1 1s are 1, y into 1, y. So y is equal to 1. So you get the answer, x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is your answer. So this is how you solve a linear equation. When it is in the form of fraction, means both you have get 1 by x and 1 by y. In both the equation you have like this. If the equation is this form, then you first of all assume the term as u and v, and then you solve it and then again put the value like this. Okay. So we'll continue with a new example in the next class. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. You can comment also. I'll feel happy. And if you have any query, if you have any doubts regarding this topic or any other topic maths, you can give your query on that. Okay. Thank you.